everyone. Welcome to Champions for Growth. And here we want to talk about true leadership, which isn't about always being the loudest in the room, but it's about making an impact where it matters. So meet Uttam Kumar. He's an understated yet brilliant mind who's had a journey of 22 years in finance, which speaks volumes. He's built a formidable AUM of 418 crore rupees. So let's understand a little bit more about him because his clients respect him deeply for his intelligence and integrity as well as dependability. Uttam, thank you so much. An impressive AUM that you've built. What is the secret to your long-term client relationships?
Thank you, Avan. So the secret is, you can say, plain and simple, trust. Okay, because we are in business of money, and money needs trust. So once people start trusting you over a period of time, then they start sharing more and more wealth with you. Okay, because if I don't trust anybody, I will not even share 1 rupee with anyone. To be very frank enough. So that's the, you can say, small secret or recipe for the longevity for last 22 years. And in Anand Rathi, since I have been for last 10 years, most of my clients are actually more than 15, 20 years with me.
Yes, indeed, and good for what you have built so far. How has Anand Rathi Wealth shaped your journey over the past many years?
So yeah, it's had been an exciting journey. So as you know, I come from a wealth management background, specifically working with different banks over a period before this 10 years, which out of 22 years, I have been almost, you can say, 12 years with different other banks. So there was a different approach to wealth management, and there is a totally different approach to wealth management. And this is one terminology which I have manufactured myself. Earlier, we used to say that we also do wealth management. Okay. But true wealth management, I started doing in the last 10 years. Okay. Because when I say used to do also wealth management, you are doing so many other things apart from wealth management also. But a core focus to wealth management has been in the last 10 years, and that has actually shaped my journey and the clients over a period of time.
Yes, wonderful then. And tell us about, some principles, some lessons you've learned at Anand Rathi Wealth, given all that the company has built with 76,400 crores of assets under management, the clients that it boasts of. What have been some of those?
So the most and foremost, as our catchline itself says, uncomplicated. Okay, so we believe in doing everything uncomplicated and keeping things simple. Okay. Because if it is not simple, execution is almost like impossible. Okay. So like our top management also, in fact, not only top management, the whole company talks in the same language, which is simplicity. Okay. We have to keep things simple, which helps in understanding, which helps in execution, because this is a, you can say, a multi-step journey.
It is indeed a multi-step journey. And if you could give advice, maybe to new relationship managers, what would you want to tell them?
There is no shortcut in life. Okay. Plus, as an organization, the organization believes in giving a long rope. So take your time, don't hurry, but follow the process, follow the strategy, and build slowly means step by step, as such, slowly and slowly. Okay. Because nothing will be changing overnight. Okay. It will take time.
That is true. There are no shortcuts to success. How do you, manage your work-life balance as a father, especially? Tell us more.
That's a difficult question. Okay. Yeah. So it sometimes it do becomes challenging. Okay. Because if you have, see, work-life balance as such, I'm not a very big proponent of that. Okay. Because both goes hand in hand. Okay. Another thing is that you our job is like that. Most of the times you are available as per the client's availability. Okay. So you have to enjoy the process. Okay. So many times, so family do come into picture. Okay. So you have to take care of those specific milestones, events, and stuff like that. But then when family is part of your journey, they also understand, okay, that what you do. So the most important part is this, your job and your family at some point of time it becomes intermingled. Okay. So they expect something, company expects something, and then you have a balance in between. For me, that is what is called work-life balance.
Okay, and that is wonderful that you're able to achieve that at Anand Rathi Wealth. What's the next big goal for you personally and professionally?
So professionally, see, the thing is there is no end to the AUM. Okay. So I can say that I want to be the highest uh, private banker in the country, and but there is no end to that. Okay. So from that perspective, I will say my goal should be the most trustworthy wealth manager available in the country as such. Okay. That is one thing. Size do matter after some point of time. Like today, I have 400 crores. Maybe I want to manage a couple of $1 billion, okay, over a period of time. And personally, yeah, it has been a 22 years journey. Another hectic work for another 10 years at least will be there. So after some point of time, spend more time into doing something apart from work, which is traveling. I like traveling. Okay. I like reading, okay, which at this point, maybe I'm not able to do that much. Okay. So that is there. So one is definitely traveling. I would really like to travel the world. So that is in my agenda.
Okay, and why are you proud of being a part of Anand Rathi Wealth?
So one thing is definitely, I'm sure you would have heard from so many people, is culture. Okay. So it's not only on paper. We do swear by, and we do, means what we say and what we preach, we do follow. Okay. Right from top to bottom, whether it is Rathiji, Rakesh sir, Firoz, or the entire RM and AM culture, AM people who are all available as such. So we do follow that thing to as much as possible. And not only on that extent, second thing is on the family front also, that one thing, including me, company doesn't leaves you hanging in between if something goes wrong. Okay. That is one thing is very important for the company, and I am personally benefited from that through certain occasions which I have personally gone through. Okay. So I have worked, this is my fourth company, and to a larger extent I have not come across this thing till date in any company. And whenever my clients who are there with me for last 15 years, they also vouch for that finally you got a better fit for yourself.
Okay, so let's now get to know you a little bit better with a rapid fire round. If Anand Rathi Wealth were a movie, what genre do you think it would be in?
What genre? Okay.
Yeah.
uh, it's I will say a classic.
Ah, that's a good one. Okay. What would be the one word your clients would use to describe you?
You can say he's omnipresent.
What is the one financial habit you think everyone should develop?
Invest and read.
And
Reading as a habit.
absolutely. And if you weren't in wealth management, what would you be doing?
I would have been a teacher. I like to teach.
All right. Thank you so much for joining in. And it's really your journey is proof that quiet confidence and a strong moral compass are the hallmarks of a true leader. So thank you for sharing with us your journey on Champions of Growth.
Thanks, Avan. Thank you so much.
Thank you.